Hello. PACTA's research is meant for every reader. WinVinaya ensures each report is fully accessible. WCAG 2.1 compliant and tested by visually impaired experts, makes accessibility a standard for everyone. WinVinaya's generative AI workshop helped social sector teams. Write proposals, reports and outreach content faster and better. Using real tasks, practical prompting techniques, and AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude. WinVinaya helped VAANI educators use generative AI to independently create inclusive teaching content, building lasting confidence. And skills to support students with hearing and other disabilities. Thanks for watching us.